basically today guys, okay guys, before we get into the video, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about the Stiff Breast channel. Yes guys, so basically what we're going to talk about, yes, some person asked for, they need, I get my name now. Basically, my stepfather gave me that name, Stiff. So, one day I asked mother, say, how come to get this a name? He said, because I love you so stiff up in her, it means I was a stiff up in her belly, stiff. Me just ever stiff. Basically guys, my stepfather took up my mother with the belly. Yes. So maybe my stepfather watered the head enough for the time and you know what I'm saying? So basically, I don't know what I have a room, me a stiff up so me sitting there. Why am I stiff up like that? So you say, you know what? Anytime a baby a born, you go give name Stiff. Yes, kind of stiff up name a little much, so we go give name Stiff. Yes. Not gonna lie, I really love my stepfather like a dad. Yes. He take care of me from me in a belly. So, I don't regret my name. I don't regret nothing. I don't regret the name when you give me the name Steve. Yes, him have him reason why you give me that name. Yes. So, all we put on the breast pan now, basically, you know, so me and my friend him still one day at the shop and me I say, you know, so me if you keep something one like a party. Yes. If you keep one like a party. And me I say, no, so we should keep one party name Stiff Breast. Got the breast money, you so alright then know, yeah. You keep Stiff Breast party, you know. Yes, so basically when time me keep Stiff Breast party every Monday. So it named Stiff Breast Monday. So then you about Stiff Breast Monday, you want to roll in and Stiff Breast Monday, so because basically the first marina cut up a side and me cut out him right yesterday marina, so then you go push out. Yeah. So you don't know, say when you come at Stiff Breast Monday, the boss in the bar. What? Guys, me I tell you say, when me at the bar I sell, me and me every most man that come in and them push the money in your so. I just in your so me I get the money. Money just a roll in your so. I just them a tip me and me a whoa. Me I say Stiff Breast Monday, Stiff Breast Monday party car. Me I just say it hot. Everybody want to go Stiff Breast Monday party. So most time when I go dance, me and my friend them still like them know me, so I say big up Stiff Breast crew. So one night now basically me have one jacket. Marina when me wear, he cut out too. So me go one party go throw some flyers for me turntable and the man say, big up Stiff Breast, and me just go so whoop. When you look at pay breast in my seat, me just go so and just Stiff Breast Monday. So basically when I invited to me, they said, you are the man who want me thumping out right and down. I said, me not no man, so we expect me can do anything with them. So the boy can let me. Straight up. Yes guys, so me I tell you say, yes, Stiff Breast Monday is hot for Monday. So, them still up. So most everybody always ask Stiff Breast, when we come on people like people that say, who is Stiff? Dance, we never really have no, when Stiff Breast Monday just start, me not have no boyfriend, me not have no man, so I could do anything when I want to do. I go dance, I just show them my breast and them I go one dance already, you know, and one man say, oh you been a Brazilian and you have advertise Stiff Breast Monday. Me end up having take off my brazier in the party guy. Me take off my brazier and put the brazier in my bag. Yeah? But you can't wear brazier and say you're Stiff Breast, so we take it off. So one night, one of them Monday, me I keep Stiff Breast Monday, so the selector said to me, say, show them a Stiff Breast all about. So me, you know the time, me I date one man, you know, and I want policeman, one corporal, me I date. And as me I go down, me I don't want the steps, and me I go show. The man walk. The man appear, I don't know appear what he appear. I come guys. The man, me couldn't do nothing here, me take it easy, easy, easy. That me whisper in the ear and I say easy, no matter what, I say alright. So only he just style it up in the way and something. So me I said to the same man I said to me, say, why you never do it? The man say a box me down flat a night day. The policeman tell me say a box me down. I say, right. So when him there now, me can't go show my breast again and me now get no more tip in the bar. Me glad when him not there palm Monday. Yes. Yeah. And sometimes some people just fly down and come around and you know what the party Stiff Breast Monday. Well, see that song? Tip for kill. Tip in that song, tip all about. Yes guys.